still stuck in French even after hundreds of Duolingo lessons? Just give me 1 minute and I'll explain why it's not your fault. Duolingo is a game. It's fun, sure, but it is built to keep you playing, not speaking. You'll learn how to win points, not how to follow a real conversation. You're developing strategies to win the game, not to understand French. That's why you can hit a 200-day streak and still freeze when someone says something as simple as "Je suis ici." Duolingo teaches you words, but not how they actually sound in real life. If you want to understand real spoken French, you have to train your ear with real speech, the way people actually speak. That's exactly what I help learners do, and it works. So if you're done playing and ready to really understand French, join one of my free challenges. No hurts, no strict guilt, just real progress.